please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell and like the video. The 1960s flat-nose van was once a ubiquitous sight, although they were such workaday vehicles that they may have been largely invisible when new. Although passenger configurations were offered, most led a working van's life, which is why so few survived. Those that did often succumbed to the sin bin van phase of the 1970s. This 65 Chevy somehow survived and has been treated to a sharp-looking restoration with only mild modifications. It's a smooth-looking box that's ready to turn heads, advertising someone's small business, or simply as a cool and practical classic. It's up for auction on Bring a Trailer, which, like Car and Driver, is part of Hearst Autos. Unlike the VW and Chevrolet's earlier Corvair van, both rear-engine, the G10's engine is located behind the front seats under a doghouse cover. In this van, it's a 230 cubic inch inline six, which has been treated to some recent work. A custom exhaust system exits ahead of the rear wheels. The engine is paired with a column shift 3-speed manual and drives the rear wheels. The van sits slightly lower than stock and rolls on a set of chrome 17-inch wheels. The van has been debadged and the rear bumper removed. The interior consists of 2 retrimmed bucket seats with open space behind. There's a full-length fabric headliner, while the floors appear to have been painted with a textured black paint. The cargo area is accessed via double doors on the right side and at the rear. As it is, the interior is supremely utilitarian, but the new owner also could give it the full shag carpet treatment. More so than any other vintage vehicles, a panel van presents all sorts of possibilities. Start of TV repair business, deliver phone books, sell encyclopedias. The mind boggles. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us